Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, we will be unboxing GEEPAS Digital Air Fryer and as well as giving you a short review. Its model number is GAF37512. Let's get started. This comes with a warranty card and a booklet that we will open and show you guys later on. It has 6 modes and you can make fries, steak, chicken, cake, meat and bread using this air fryer. It comes with a basket. You need to press and hold it to unlock the basket. This booklet is not only in English but also is translated into Arabic. It includes all the necessary information. It gives us the exact temperature that we need for the food to cook in the air fryer. 2 years warranty. The first thing we decided to make was French fries. French fries are our absolute favorites, so we had to do that. You will add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now insert it in the air fryer. This is the power button. You can increase the temperature from the right side and increase the time from the left side. However, that is not needed because when you click on the mode button, it automatically adjusts the time and temperature that you need for the specific food. Like how you can see the small sign of French fries. It is automated to 18 minutes and 200 Celsius. When you hear the beep, it means it is done. You can see the texture of our fries. They were amazing and they weren't even oily. That was the best part. You guys should totally try out. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share.